This tutorial is a clip from a live stream I did recently. For the full video, click on the link down below. Enjoy.
So let's start with the one receiving the kick. So he has a curve in the back, and all I gotta focus is on sort of doing the torso, the upper body, just make him smaller. Then lower body right here. He's sort of losing balance because of the kick. Alright, bring his hand here, with his bicep. Let's see, one leg is over here, the other one is coming back, sort of aligned with the back. Alright, there's a bit of an arch, and his toes are there. You can tell that I did this too. I can tell. Maybe you too, but I can tell that I did this leg a little bit too, his knee too high. So just erase that, this right here, and connect him back to his body. Do his shorts, okay. And even though the hands are connected, pretty much the bicep is connected to the forearm, I like to separate it so I can find the shape, because I'm doing something that's familiar to me. So this shape, this sort of diamond shape, is what I go to for for forearm, and then a cylinder like that is what I go to for the bicep. And then I'll add, let me just, keep that on there and move it behind him. And then from that, I just take out the muscles, maybe like his biceps are showing here. I mean his triceps. I'll add that there. And sometimes the biceps are showing, but in this case they're not. So we're gonna keep it like that. Maybe too long. So let's retract his hand just a little. And then we could do the gloves up here. There we go. Just another pair of gloves on top. Alright, so he definitely lost his balance with the kick of this other guy. And again, even though this leg is not closed, I'll make him a full shape. And then you see, this is the floor, pretty much where the front leg is placed. And this back leg is sort of a little bit off the ground. So let's say this is where it ends. Sort of this distance between the two, the foot, the back foot, and the floor. So I'll draw the lower part of it and then go backwards. Alright. So again, I'm looking for triangles, squares, and circles. Triangles, squares, and circles. Or triangle, rectangles, and ovals. And here we have the falling guy. Maybe I did this too long. There we go. And this guy's head is over here. You get to see his eye a little bit in there. And that's how you take a kick. Alright, now we're the second guy. So his leg is over here. When there's two guys fighting, I like to sort of play it like a puzzle. What happened?
Mommy, can they just do the most? Because mommy makes like
Oh yeah? Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's pretty good. This guy, let's make his... Oop, you okay? You want to drink some tea?
Yeah.
Alright, let's delete that. And go simple. Go simple. So ovals, triangles, and squares. Ovals, triangles, and rectangles. And cylinders now, alright? Alright, we can move in. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So his arm comes up here. Then we do sort of the diamond shape. And wow, so this one connects all the way to the trunk, the boxing shorts. And his head pops up over here a little bit. Alright, so his torso is even smaller than I drew it. The line in there. Another line right here. And short sort of meets right there. And there's this shape right here. Huh? Alright, so for this leg, I guess it can go higher. And in the picture, if you see like the two boxing gloves, they line up. Copy this. Let me see if I can get it cut out. Oh, there we go. Can I copy this though? Let's copy it like this again. Copy, delete, and paste. So this is a good way to study the drawing as you're doing it, so you can find like the right angles using negative shape and other things. So let's bring this guy to the study box. Okay. So again, we're gonna go with orange. So you see, this is what I'm talking about. So these angles, so the two boxing gloves meet. This guy's sort of like everything that's on at the end of it. We can see that this is the shape sort of that it has. This is the outer, and this other one right here. There's no monster. Alright, so with this guy, so this is the shape that this guy has. Sort of, well, taking out the top line. Sort of this, what is it? What is it? And this guy, let's do purple for this other guy. His shape is, I'll say also a trapezoid, more rectangular than anything. Turn off these guys in the back. So these are the basic shapes that I need to fit all that information in. It looks so much simpler when it's broken down like that, but so much information to go by. So now you need to pay attention to this negative triangle here. It's another triangle here, another triangle here. So let's see. Let's turn off this guy and just focus on one at a time. So triangle here, and triangle here. Let's see how good are we doing. Let's try to fit in those triangles to this guy. Just copy this, and then we can move it around. Turn these two off. So I'm not doing so good, I say, seeing the angles. Right away you can tell that the angle's off. Alright, so let's go back to work. We can move this leg a little bit higher. Alright. Here I go, just doodling without making any drawing. Okay, and you see the distance between these two guys is far greater in the drawing, but for now, so I can focus on one guy at a time. Oh, at the boxing over here, the boxing glove. Okay, so again, these things sort of match. It's not supposed to go past the boxing glove. So his leg's supposed to be over here somewhere. Make a square rectangle for that. Mark the leg wrap. Maybe this leg needs to be a little smaller. This foot and so erase this. Mark that going down. Now we can play around with placement. And I made him bigger. I made this guy bigger than the other guy. So we can make him smaller. And that's much better. This foot covers pretty much the rest of the head. That's pretty good. But again, studying the negative shape. Oops, what did I delete? There we go. Studying the negative shape again. Let's test those theories. Okay, so now let's see where they fit. A lot better. Still could have been a little, the angles could have been much neater, but here's the general idea. Alright, so this point over here sort of meets the goal. This one here, the glove needs to be a little bit higher, and the knee also meets the goal. So let's keep that there for reference. Yeah, I'll grab this whole glove, move it. But yeah, so studying, when you're studying, this is what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be marking things, playing with the placement, moving things around, cutting paste, and really like look at angles, because angles make or break your drawing. And that's pretty good, I'll say. Alright, let's see now if also this thing fits the if this guy meets the shape that I did from the photo. And I guess because I did the negative spacing, it helped. But I see still the hand could have been a little bit more to the left. The glove probably smaller. But on a general statement, it does fit. Pretty happy with that. Let's hide this a little bit. Now, this other guy, let's see if he fits on this. Higher, and then this is lower. I think I made his back too far back. And this other leg too forward. But yeah, you can see that a lot of the things don't align with this guy. Let's see how we can fix it to make it fit a little better. Let's check out the reference again. You see like the legs, the front leg, this leg right here, and the glove line up pretty straight. And in my drawing, this leg is way too far out. It's supposed to be a straight line from the edge of this glove to the edge of the foot. Alright, so let's move this guy's foot. Okay. We can delete this and close it off right here. This pen maybe a little higher. This other pen also a little higher. Okay, make the glove maybe a little bit rounder, and then this other one start off right here. Right, that's a lot better. Let's delete this. Hide it. And I'll say that's a lot closer to the reference. But now, looking again, this guy's a little higher, maybe smaller. There we go. This is pretty close. Let's make this into a group. And let's group. That one could stay there. Alright, let's see.
Okay, here we have it. Close enough, I think. Well, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments. Thank you for watching.